What's up guys and welcome to the coding tutorial. Today we're going to build an end-to-end Angular application with JSBin, just Angular, so no data persistence, just with scope or VM rather. We're going to build a canonical to-do Angular to-do app. So let's get started. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to include a few libraries that I want. I'm going to include Bootstrap, and I'm also going to, well, I don't really care about that. I don't really care about that. Let's get Angular real quick. I don't know why they don't have 1.5. Let me get latest actually. Angular latest. That should give me. I'm guessing that's probably 1.5. Still give me a minute. Okay, cool. Let's wire up our application real quick. So we do this the same every time. ng controller main controller svm. Let me get rid of that for a second. And then let's just build out a little template. div.column md12 div.row. Let's make an h1. Add a to-do, and then let's create our UI. So say input type of text with an ID of name and a class of form control, and then we'll do an inline style of width is 200 pixels. And then let me just make a label that will hook up to this name and say name, and then that's also, let's copy this and let's do one for done, completed, and then what do we want? And we want a button, which is going to be our submit button. We're going to put ng disabled on here for a second, and then we'll give it a class of button success, button large, and we will say add a to do, and then for now we'll just put ng disabled true, or ng disabled 4 equals 8, I guess. Maybe it's not. It needs a real expression. We'll just put, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we need to wire up something first. But, so we'll say added to do. That's good. And then we give a little line break right there. And that's our simple form. So let's set up our JavaScript. Oh, that's what we need. So we'll just set it up in here and we'll say var app equals angular.module app, second parameter empty array. Then we'll say app.controller main controller, and we'll give this a function. And we'll just say var vm equals this. Now we're getting our disabled, and so if we were to come in here and say vm.happy equals true, this should go back or say false. Now that will work the way we want. So we're going to create a model called or an array called vm.todos, which is going to store our to-dos. We're also going to create a to-do model, which will be an empty object for now. And I think that's all we need for now. And we need one more variable called vm.editing. And we'll set that equal to false. Cool. I think that's all we need for now. We'll just disable this if we say if not vm dot what do we want to do? If not vm dot to do dot name or not vm dot to do dot done. So you can see, let me see, are these wired up? Oh no, they're not wired up to the model. So we got to give these an ng model of vm dot to do dot name, and this will be an ng model of vm dot to do dot done. So now if I fill in both, they will enable it. So cool. Then we got to wire up an event right here. Probably don't even need to handle this with or pass that data, but we'll do it anyway. So we'll say vm.add to do, and we'll pass it the vm.todo. Let's create the function in here. Create the function up at the top right here. So say vm.add to-do, which is a function which takes in a to-do, and then we will just say vm.todos.push. Let me put these variables up here again. Actually, I think I messed that up. So let me vm.todos.push, and we're pushing on a new object. And basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say name is to-do.name and done is to-do.done. And then after that, I want to clear out this model, so we can say vm.todo. We can set that equal to an empty object again. Let's test out our functionality just to make sure it works. So we'll say take out trash. Completed, no. It clears it, cool. Do we get any errors? Let me make sure. Take out trash, no. No errors, cool. And we pushed it under array. Now let's go in here, make a new row so we can repeat over all of our to-dos. And we'll do ng-hide if vm.todos.length is less than 1. And then we'll say ul, get rid of that. And we'll do ng-repeat to-do and vm.todos. Say to-do.name and to-do.done. And then that should now work. We'll change this back, take out trash, say no. Should start seeing our to-dos down there, cool. And then let me give this just a BR real quick of list of your to-dos. And I also want to do if it's less or if vm.editing is equal to true. So I'll show you this cool trick. So now that we're looping over all of them, like take out trash, no, and then we have like eat dinner, yes, we got all of our to-dos, cool, but let us add something on here, which we probably want. We want to delete on our to-dos, so we'll say button, and we will give this remove, and we'll just say ng-click equals vm.remove, and then we'll pass in the to-do. So let's wire up that method. So we'll say vm.remove is a function which takes in a to-do. We'll grab our to-dos, and then we'll splice at vm.todos.index of that current to-do, and we only want to take one, or else it'll get rid of all the to-dos. So let's make sure this actually works. So we'll say take out trash, no, and then we'll say sleep, yes. So if I get rid of, take out trash, remove, and sleep, yes. Cool, and then it'll hide all of them if there's 0. So that's good. And let's wire up our final piece of functionality. Well, we'll do 2 more. We'll do a clear method. So our clear method can be, will just be a big button up here. Say ng-click, and we'll just say vm.todos equals, just make it an empty array again. Clear all to-dos, and then we'll just give this a class of fade out, and then I can come up here and add some style, and we'll do dot fade out transition 0.25 seconds. Ease all ease. And we'll say opacity yeah, make this a little bit more dramatic. Say sleep, eat, right? So we have our clear all to-dos. Well, I guess it's happening too fast because it's doing the ng-hide. So I guess we could always grab ng-hide and then do that same thing on there. Let me see if that works. Maybe not. This isn't really the point of the app. Let's try it. Take out trash. completed, no, and then clear. So, no, alright, whatever. So we got all that working, we got our to-dos. Looks like our clear works though, so we can just add on a few, you know, clear, it clears them all. Awesome, so that's good. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to be able to edit our to-do. So we'll say button ng click equals vm.editing equals not vm.editing, so whatever it is, and then we'll also call vm.edit, and we'll pass it the to-do, and then down in here we'll create a div with a class of row. We'll do ng show if vm.editing, and then inside of here we'll do an input type of text ng model equals vm.todo vm.todo.name, and then we'll also give it let's go back up here, let's make h3 as a name, h3 done, and one more input type of text with the ng model of vm.todo.done, and finally we'll have a button that sort of simulates a save, and we'll just do save, and on click we'll set vm.editing to be equal to not vm.editing. So let's see everything in action now. Let me get rid of this console. And we'll say take out trash. Let's make a few of these. Completed, yes. Make bed, completed. Now let me do one more thing. Edit. We'll say 1 completed, yes. 2 completed, no. 3 completed, yes, and we'll make one more, 4 completed, yes, or 4 completed will be no. So we can remove a to-do right here, 3. We can edit a to-do. What happened there? We hit it, vm.editing equals not vm.editing, and oh, I know what's happening. Gotta put this on here. ng show equals vm.editing. Do that and that, and we'll change this to a hide, and then we'll change it so this should now complete functionality of the app. Completed, yes. So if we edit this, you see the user interface goes away. vm.todo.done. Let me see, function, vm.editing, vm.edit, vm.editing. Let me think, why is it not working? vm.editing equals function, or wait, vm.edit with the to-do, okay. vm.edit equals a function which takes in a to-do. We'll say vm.todo.vm.todo equals to-do, and that should work. So we'll say take out trash, yes. Let's edit it. We get our functionality, and we say sleep, and oh no, I guess we don't really want to show that though up here. So I know what we can do. We can create vm.edited to do. We can make another model right here, and we could say vm.edited to do equals to do, and then we can change. Let me go back. vm.edited to do, vm.edited to do, and now let me see if this is wired up. Take out trash. Sleep. Okay, cool. So now it's not bound anymore. We change this to none. Save it. Sleep. No. Cool. And then just to prove another one, we can say walk dogs completed. Yes. Add this on. We can remove this. Walk dogs. Let me just change walk dogs. I'm going to do a bunch of things. save it. It's indeed been saved. And then we can remove it, or we can clear all to-dos. So cool, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a like if you learned something. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Always appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.